Salute to all traders. If you want to reach a new, high level of trading, you have come to the right place. This is the channel about the innovative robot, MaxBot. Passability of this neural network is on average 90%. Now I will make trades with its signals. In the first operation, I will enter the currency pair Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. The expiry time will be 3 minutes. The amount of entry into the transaction $700. Higher. That's the first prediction from the bot. Attention! Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 signals from him for free, after which you can buy the bot at a 90% discount. There are 10 places left on the offer. Link in the description. After purchase, the robot gives unlimited signals. By the histogram of tick volumes, we can see that bulls were active for a long time, but it did not help them to get an advantage and sellers reduced the price. There were also long stretches of consolidation, for example, a few minutes ago and, in general, during half an hour. I think that the robot noticed a steady saturation of the market with buyers' volumes, which were particularly strong in the last few minutes. This means a higher probability of powerful, impulsive bounces from the support area and a price rise. I think that these criteria were decisive for the final verdict from the neural network. Yes, the sideways movement may continue, but in the current situation, the bears have used up their potential and the buyers have time to raise the price and stabilize the situation. Let's wait for the end of the trade, guys. By the way, I have already said many times and I want to remind you again. After buying the bot, you will get access to the exclusive chat room. In this chat, the most experienced experts from the bot team analyze market situations and share signals. Join the team of leaders. That's not all. Attention! There is a contest with a cool prize for one random comment on our channel. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from start to finish. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. So, the first operation was a success. Plus $616. I will open a new transaction with a different currency pair. From the large number of options that are available to the robot, I took the variant Euro, Japanese yen. The time frame will be shorter, 2 minutes, and the investment amount will increase to $1,000. It takes 3 seconds for the bot to give the signal, below. Volatility is reduced at the moment, and news does not influence the price within this currency pair. This information is indicated by the neural network in each message with a signal in order for you to better orient yourself in the current market situation. Now let's go through the historical data once again with the help of TradingView. At first glance, according to the tick volume histogram, it seems that sellers are far behind buyers in terms of trading volumes in the last half an hour. But, if we look at the price movement, we can see that there was quite a long consolidation. And an hour ago, the bears were very much able to push the price lower. They showed their potential and I think the bot has noticed. Their momentum will still have an impact going forward. The price is likely to bounce off the resistance area and go lower, which within the 2-minute expiry time should play a decisive role. I think this trade will close in the plus side. I trust the robot and its signal. Let's wait for the result. By the way, to maximize results you can work with MaxBot even on weekends and holidays, even at night when the exchanges are asleep. Its cool option is the ability to work with OTC trading currency pairs. This way, you can work when it suits you without being tied to the exchanges. You can modernize your trading strategy and use both exchange and OTC options. And the robot is always ready to help you and make a confident analysis, as well as make decisions about entering a deal. So, the deal closed in the plus side. Plus $860. That's amazing. It's time to make a move to maximize profits. The third trade I'm going to use to maximize my success. 1 minute time frame. The market entry amount is $1,700. Higher. That's the verdict from MaxBot. I will heed his recommendation again. Price fluctuations are now elevated and news is actively influencing price movement within this currency pair. Guys, and now on the screen you can see screenshots with feedback from traders who are using MaxBot on Maximal. You can read all the feedback in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. The artificial intelligence will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. So, at the last second, we were able to take a profit. Wow, that was huge. $1,462 was deposited into the account. The total profit for today is an impressive $2,938. Thanks to the bot for the most accurate signals. Thank you, friends, for watching. Give us a like if you liked this episode. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell to stay up to date with the hottest offers and interesting events from the world of modern trading. I'll see you guys later.